Hello everyone and welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to use the compass feature in Google Maps. This handy tool can really help you navigate when you're in unfamiliar places. If you're ready to learn how to enhance your mapping experience, let's dive in. First, open the Google Maps app on your device. Once the map is loaded, you might notice that it doesn't track your movements just yet. To activate the compass, look for the location icon in the right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. When you tap the location icon, you should see a compass appear right below it. This means we've successfully enabled the compass feature. Now, to see the compass in action, try rotating your phone around its axis. As you do this, you'll notice that the map begins to follow your movements. This real-time orientation can be incredibly useful for navigating unfamiliar environments and helps prevent you from getting lost. You can also use the compass to orient yourself relative to the surrounding landmarks, making your navigation experience smoother and more intuitive. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the compass in Google Maps to enhance your navigation experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more mapping tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.